Now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
74-hour air temperature. We have a dew point value of exactly the same. 100% relative humidity when those two values meet, and so consequently feeling a little sticky out there. The forecast looks almost identical to where we were over the last 4 or 5 days. That is, we go through the morning hours with pretty quiet conditions, head into the afternoon with temperatures in the 90s, low 90s, and we factor in early on in the afternoon a good chance of showers and thunderstorms building, coming up at us from the southeast, moving off to the northwest out into the Gulf waters, and producing at times frequent lightning strikes and heavy downpours of rain. That's going to be true right straight through the weekend, it looks like. Titan radar right now pretty quiet. We've got a few areas that still have issues with river flooding, of course. We have the Manatee River, the Myakka River, and the Peace River all at or slightly above flood stage. Minor flooding, nothing really serious. In fact, the Myakka State Park is open, and they tell me that the parking lot is just fine out there if you want to recreate this weekend. So the chance for formation of this system has remained unchanged over the last 24 hours. The Hurricane Center is still giving it about a 10% chance over a 5-day period of having some sort of formation. They kind of expected that to happen. They had to wait until the window of opportunity for formation matched their 5-day forecast, so that's why it didn't come out until yesterday. I'm not really terribly concerned about this system. If it did develop, it would be on a track that would carry it out into Gulf waters, and when it did develop, it's not going to happen until it gets into those Gulf waters, and at that point it's heading away from the state of Florida, so not a big issue for us. This will not be a windstorm. This will not be a heavy surf storm. What it maybe is a rainstorm for us. It might enhance our rainfall chances as around this area of high pressure, the easterly winds continue and it rotates that system out into the Gulf. It might take some moisture with it. Computer models have kind of backed off. There's only one Navy model that's kind of showing any kind of development with this system, and not until it gets into the northern Gulf Coast. For us, we'll expect to see the moisture arrive here probably on Monday in the southern tip of the state. I think that at the present time, if I had to wager a guess, I'd say the east coast of Florida and the southern tip of the Florida will be the two places that get the most rainfall, that and the northern Gulf Coast. For us, though, we certainly will see an enhanced rainfall chance as we head into Monday and Tuesday as that moisture kind of lifts northward. I think we'll probably pick up an additional 2 inches of rainfall or so over the course of Monday and Tuesday. So, you know, as you head into the 5-day period ahead, probably we're looking at maybe an additional 5 inches of rainfall till the time we get to Thursday of next week. I think our rivers and streams can handle that. Of course, if anything changes, we'll let you know. There might even be some little bit of drier air indicated here by this blue coming our way on Sunday. So we might even see a little bit more sunshine on Sunday and a little chance to dry out. We'll see how it plays out. East wind coming in at about 10. Moderate chop on your bay and inland waters today. Should be a pretty nice weekend for boating. Just watch those thunderstorms. Next couple of days, 60% chance of showers. I'll trend down the rain chance on Sunday, teeny tiny bit. And then as we head into next week, we'll be watching that system for any possible changes to the forecast. But I think maybe we'll just bump up the rain chance on Tuesday and Wednesday to about 70%.